Hello, Cardboard Culture viewers and friends. It's Kent here with another box break. Today I'm breaking the, for me, highly anticipated Alphonso Davies Journey Curated sets from Topps UK, which I finally got in. And I've got 5 of them. Autos are 1 and 3, so let's see how we make out here and how we do it odds-wise. So, they're in individual packs. And I'll show you in a second here. Like so. I think there's what we got here? 6 packs. And from what I've seen from other breakers, the actual hit, because each box has 1 parallel card and or a parallel card with an autograph. And autographs are 1 and 3. So usually the hit or the parallel is actually in the last pack. So last pack is there. We'll go through these and see how we make out. I'm really looking forward to this, as we in Canada are huge fans of Alphonso Davies, and for those who are fans of FC Bayern Munich as well. So, without further ado, let's see how we do here. Nicolas Soleil, and this is a Velocity version. We've got Alphonso Davies, I think that's a Journey or Best Victory version. We've got Noah Okafor, Anthony, and Alphonso Davies, My Journey. It's cool. Okay, so that's first pack. Oh, here we go. There's the man, Erling Haaland. Highly anticipated transfer this summer. Another Alphonso Davies. Stand-up performance. We got Lucas Nemtcha. Velocity parallel. We've got Alphonso Davies. Which one's that? Stand-up performance. Another Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Oh, we've got Kareem Adeyemi. Neymar Jr. Kingsley Coman. Alexei Marinchuk. Well, these are velocities, sorry. And a Manchester City Football Club one. Oh, interesting. Team to watch. Cool. We've got Juan Corrado. Hey, we got a rookie card of Nuno Mendes. Put him over there. We've got a Joshua Kimmich. And followed by Robert Lewandowski. And we got Kyle Walker. And those are, the Lewandowski is a influence. And the Kimmich is a chemistry version. And we've got Alphonso Davies, Velocity. Hey, there we go. Jonathan David rookie card. Another Canadian hero of the Canadian men's national team. We've got Ansgar Knopf, Rafael Leo, and Vincinius Jr., or Vini Jr. All right, so the hit should be like the second card in of this last pack. So we'll go backwards a little bit. So we've got Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Alphonso Davies, Best Victory. A Nuno Mendes rookie. Another Nuno Mendes rookie. We've got Kareem Adeyemi. So let's see what we got here. We got Thomas Müller on the front. It's a Neymar to 49. Right there. It's hard to see. A Neymar parallel to 49. I'll take that. Neymar any day. All right. Box number 2. Oops, as I drop it. All right. Last pack could go in there. Let's save that for later. Okay, Kingsley Coman. Noah Okafor. Charles de la Catellere. Denzel Dumfries. Leroy Sané. So this is good. Different cards. I think it's 30 card set. So you're going to need a couple of boxes at least to try and build the set. Nuno Mendes, third Nuno Mendes rookie. Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Kareem Adeyemi. Alphonso Davies, stand-up performance. Erling Haaland, toughest opponent. As you can see, we're already hitting some doubles. And in some cases, triples. What do we got here? Nicholas Sule. Jurian Timber. Robert Lewandowski. Angel Di Maria. Alphonso Davies, another My Journey. This time with the UEFA Champions League trophy. Okay, another Jonathan David rookie card. Nice. Hey, Cristiano Ronaldo with Man U, Velocity. Another Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Luis Muriel and Raheem Sterling for Man City. We got here Leroy Sané, Federico Chiesa, Thomas Mueller, Alphonso Davies, stand-up performance, and a Juan Corrado. All right, let's see what we get here. Auto or parallel? Going backwards again. We've got Anurat Danjuma. We've got a rookie card, Jonathan David. Nice. Jadon Sancho for Man U. We got Mohamed Salah for Liverpool. We got Ansgar Gnoff in the front. Out of 25. Nice. Jonathan David rookie out of 25. Woot. Canada representing. Like that. Nice. Jonathan David rookie. 25. No auto yet. 3 boxes to go. Come on, auto. Okay, so that's that pack. Let's do this. Okay, Leroy Sané. Oh, nice. Alphonso Davies at 49. Oh, wait a minute. This went backwards. Okay, so that means that this box doesn't have an auto then. Alphonso Davies to 49. Cristiano Ronaldo base. Rafael Leo. Akraf Hakimi. Thomas Mueller. I wonder if I can make 2 sets out of this. Might be hard still. Nuno Mendes, rookie. Oh, wow, this went really out of order. Ta-da! There's the auto. 13 out of 25. Vinicius Jr. Boom. Can we get a boom? I think we can get a boom there. Well, that was non-suspenseful. The order in which these the hits came is backwards in this box, but I'll take a Vincinius or Vini Jr. auto out of 25 all day long. Look at that. Boom. Was not expecting that. Okay. So now I do think the rest of the packs are just, regular stuff. Alexei Miranchuk, Alphonso Davies, Jamal Musiala. That's the first one I've seen. Arnaut Danjuma. David Alaba, Neymar Jr., Vini Jr., whose auto we just pulled. Erling Haaland, Raheem Sterling. Manchester City, team to watch. Leroy Sané, Federico Chiesa. Anthony, and Mohamed Salah. Jamal Musiala, another one. Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Ansgar Koff, Robert Lewandowski, Kyle Walker. Last pack of the third box. We've got Lucas Nemtcha. I think that's the first one I've seen. Nuno Mendes, ton of his rookies in these boxes so far. Alphonso Davies, stand-up performance, Thomas Mueller, and Achraf Hakimi. All right, box number 4. And that's weird. There's one random pack on the right here. I don't know what that means. What's going on here? Okay, I'm not sure what that means. So if I'm going to believe it's this way, then I would say the hits is in this pack. But let's see what happens here. Gosh. Okay, Jadon Sancho. Noah Okafor. Okay, I think we're in the right order here. Jamal Musiala. Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Nuno Mendes. Holy, Nuno Mendes. Ton of Nuno Mendes rookies. Okay, what we got here? Raheem Sterling. Robert Lewandowski. Julian Timber. Mohamed Salah. David Alaba. Alphonso Davies. Vini Jr. Alphonso Davies again. Luis Muriel and Lucas Nemtcha. Leroy Sané. Juan Curated. Anthony. Nicholas Sule. And Neymar Jr. Charles de Ketelaere. Rafael Leao. Nuno Mendes, a rookie again. Wow, stacking up on him. Luis Diaz and Arnaut Danjuma. All right, here we go. Is it a parallel or is it an auto? Okay, we'll go from the back. David Alaba. Oh, there we go. Lionel Messi. Nice. I think that's the first one we've hit of him. Luis Diaz. Nuno Mendes, rookie again. Who's it this time? It's going to be out of 49. Thomas Mueller. Parallel. Okay, no auto in that box. Last box. Can we possibly get another auto? Can we? Okay. So that should be the last pack there. Okay, Cristiano. Oh, wait a minute. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh. Alphonso Davies out of 49. So the question is, will this second pack yield an auto or not? What do you guys think? Rafael Leao, Alphonso Davies, Alexei Miranchuk, Robert Lewandowski. So I'm going to go this pack, which was the last pack. And if there's no numbered parallel or anything like that, then it's quite possible we could have an auto in the second pack. Julian Timber, Anthony, Alphonso Davies, My Journey, Luis Muriel, Noah Okafor. Oh. So, is it possible to get another auto here? So I'm going to go backwards. Angel Di Maria, Mohamed Salah, Luis Muriel, Manchester City team to watch. 49. Another Vini auto. Wow. Okay, that's just, I don't know if that's bad collation or what. Oh my goodness. Now, I would have gladly traded one of these for a Alphonso Davies autograph, to be honest with you. But hitting 2 Vini autos is pretty interesting. I'll do a recap in a minute when we get through this rest of this box. Anyways, another Jonathan David rookie. Awesome. Okay. Let's see what the rest of these packs will bear fruit. Okay, Alphonso Davies. Maybe I can trade one of the Vinis for an Alphonso Davies auto. Alphonso Davies, Raheem Sterling, Juan Carrado, and Theo Hernandez. Gosh, I think that's the first one I've seen. Building the set's going to be pretty hard, I think. Charles de Catalari, Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Nicholas Sule, Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Another Alphonso Davies, My Journey. Two of them in the same pack. Erling Haaland. Jonathan David rookie. Awesome. Kingsley Coman, Alphonso Davies, and Lucas Nemtcha. That ends the fifth box. So, just to recap, we just broke 5 boxes of the Alphonso Davies Topps UK My Journey curated set. Didn't hit Alphonso Davies auto, but we did hit a bunch of stuff here. So let me quickly pile this all up here real fast. Well, not too fast. Couple 49s. Let's see here. Yep, I'm doing it away from the camera, so just bear with me a minute here while I stack all these up. So you guys can see. Just going to sleeve a couple of these other 49s that I don't think I sleeved up. Yep. All right. So let's do this. So out of the 5 boxes, how many rookie cards of Nuno Mendes do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is great. And maybe 6 Jonathan Davids, quite possibly. Okay, so Jonathan David, 1, 2, 3, yep, 6. 6 Jonathan David rookies. But the most important one is this one. Jonathan David purple parallel to 25 rookie. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then we've got, surprisingly, so the parallels are from 99 and onward down, but I've got all the gray ones. So we got a Neymar out of 49. We got a Thomas Mueller out of 49. 2 Alphonso Davies, 1 My Journey and 1 regular, velocity to 49. And the 2 auto hits out of the 5 boxes. Vincinius Jr. to 49 and Vincinius Jr. to 25. Crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Anyways, everyone, those are my hits. That was my 5 box break of Alphonso Davies My Journey curated Topps UK set. Thank you for watching as always. Again, please check us out live on Tuesday nights when we have our special guests on. In the interim, you'll see Amit and myself doing box breaks and card reviews like this and showing you what we can actually pull out of these lovely breaks. Anyways, everyone, thanks for watching as always, and we'll see you all later. Peace out.